Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great in this lockdown period. So, first of all, happy Father's Day to all the great heroes and fathers. And one more thing, guys, please respect your fathers, please show love to your dad and mom because this comes from a child who has, you know, just I don't have the opportunity of doing so. So, I just want you all just respect what you all are having right now. So yeah, without getting more emotional today, I'll just give you a brief about today's painting. So today I'm going to paint this beautiful father son daughters painting in front of you. I've tried my best to create pictures perfectly. I don't know, just a few mistakes are there, but I just just ignore that and just look at the emotions and everything. So this is basically a beginner's painting, and I have used red, orange, pink, and all the bright colors to show that this is a very bright day and not a very dull day. The grasses are green and the ground is with brown color. The three characters are in black color to just pop up and highlight the image perfectly. So yeah, that's all for the painting. I've used poster colors and yeah, flat brushes, round brushes, and a very small brush of I think size number 3. So yeah, and one more thing, like this video is going to be the longest till now because it took me a lot of efforts to create these type of looks. I'm good at painting, but I am a bit beginner at sketching and everything, like drawing the utensils and drawing the stencils and everything. So I just take my time to create it perfectly. One more thing, like this is one-handed painting, so I didn't had any eraser or something. So whatever I made for the first time, that is what it is in the picture. So yeah, I've made clouds with white color and yellow colored sun which is in the background, and yeah, all of this in the picture. Okay, so this is all about the painting. One more thing, like if you all know that I am also a writer, so I've written a very special blog for my dad. For just I'm saying ki how much thankful I am to have him in my life, and every time I didn't say thanks, I am actually giving him a reason, giving him the points and counting the points where I am saying thanks to him. So yeah, it's a very special blog and a very close to my heart. And one more thing, like with this blog I am actually launching my website today, which is shreyachats.in, and yeah, I'll just link it down in the description box. So from now onwards I will post all my blogs on my website only. So if you are like really interested in reading blogs and articles for latest updates, healthcare, skincare, or just in general quotes and shairis and all, so just visit my website shreyachats.in, and I'll just drop down the link in the description box. Just go through that also. And one more thing, guys, like if you want to follow me on Instagram, just open the description. I have written each and every detail there only. Just follow me on Twitter, Instagram, just follow me on my website also. I'll be very grateful if you all go there and visit my website once. So I felt that this is a very special day and I should launch it today only. So yeah, today I've launched my website finally. Still I'm working on it, but yeah, I've launched it. So yeah, I hope that you all like the video till now, and I hope that you will like my videos further also. So I'll just avoid making these type of pictures where I have to make stencils first, because I'm not really good at it, which I feel that I should not draw right now. Actually, one more thing, like I posted a portrait painting yesterday. So that's on my Instagram profile, so you must go and watch. That was my first trial on watercolor paper, and it came out to be really great, and I got a lot of appreciation from my Instagram followers, and this actually helped me in increasing my followers and all. So if you are like really interested in seeing these portrait paintings and everything, you just drop in the description, oh sorry, comment section, drop in the comment section, and I'll just try to make one for you. That will be a longer video because I have to make a lot of layers and everything, then only the painting is finally successful. But yeah, I'll try to record each and every point whenever I am making and everything. So yeah, that's all for the video today, guys, and it was a very chatty video. So please go and subscribe to my channel, visit my website which is shreyachats.in, and just follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and just do the formalities, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow. And one more thing, like if possible, I'll be making one more painting today and I'll be uploading it today only. So yeah, please stay tuned and take care all of you. Bye.